What's going on, guys? Welcome to yet another Crypto Sensei livestream. Hope you're all having a fantastic day as I am. I'm having a great day. You know how it is, having a lot of gains happening over here on the crypto markets, having a little bit of a bouncy bounce to the upside, had a little bit of a profitable trade yesterday. I did close my XRP trade. We're going to be looking at that today, guys. So big shout out for everybody here. Let me make sure that everything is good and ready to go. Let me make sure that I got here in this. Give me a second, guys. I got some technical issues here. So I hope all you guys are having a fantastic day. I'm having a great day. I had a great trade yesterday. We went out, got in at the bottom, 46 cents, got out at the top at 51 cents. That was a beautiful 50% on that trade. I mean, it doesn't get any better than that, guys. So we're going to look at that trade. So make sure that you are here. Big shout out to you. Make sure that you smash that like button if you haven't already. Follow and subscribe from whatever platform you're looking on me at. I'm streaming on every single platform out there. I'm on TikTok. I'm on Twitch. I'm on YouTube. I'm on Facebook. I'm all over the place, guys. No reason why not to get my price action, guys. Let me make sure that everything is good and dandy over here with the chat boxes. Give me a second, guys. Don't go anywhere. Internet's having a little bit of a bitch fit with me today. I don't know why. There we go. We are live. Beautiful. All right. Let me make sure that the TikTok is up and running. So big shout out for everybody here in the TikTok community. Best community ever. So big shout out to all of you here. 24, my man. 24 over on the TikTok. How you doing, my man? It's all good. Good. What's up with you? 24 over on the TikTok saying any XRP news, amigo. Oh, nothing worth bragging about. Nothing that I don't know. Nothing worth saying as of right now. Prices are just doing whatever the fuck they want to do, like always. The whole XRP meetup is on the 29th, so maybe that's probably why some things are driving the price to the upside. I don't know. I don't know, my man. But nothing to brag about. Nothing that I've heard of. Have you heard about something about XRP? I don't know. It is finding a little bit of support within the 618 on the Fibonacci level, so that's good to see. We need to break above the 382. We almost broke above the 382. We're going to look at that today. Don't worry about that. Stick around because we're going to figure out what the hell the market is going to do. See, it almost broke above the 382. Ah, man, it's just a little bit more. It would have been just one more push. It would have driven this motherfucker all the way up to 60 cents. I don't know if we're going to see that happening anytime soon, but we're going to look at it. We're going to look at it. Stick around. Smash that like button if you haven't already, guys. Follow and subscribe from whatever platform you're looking on me at. Trying to get to all-time highs on the like buttons, guys, and I cannot do that without you guys' help. So if you can go ahead and smash that like button, I would highly, highly appreciate it. So big shout out for everybody here. We're going to give it a few more minutes. Let me see, what time is it? We're going to give it a few more minutes just to see who all gets here. In the meantime, guys, if you want to talk about any coins whatsoever, any projects you want to look at, anything you want to talk about, go ahead and write it down on the chat box here. You got me for an hour of power. Ask away. There's not a wrong answer. There's not a stupid question. Go ahead and ask away whatever you guys want to talk about. I will do my best, guys, to do my TA on whatever coins or projects you want to look at. Okay? So big shout out for everybody here. You guys are amazing. Big shout out to Ernesto Rodriguez over on the TikTok. Thank you for that like button, my man. Thank you so much. Thank you for smashing the likes. Big shout out to you, Ernesto. How you doing, Ernesto? It's all good. Good. You know how it is. Just chilling like a villain. Taking it easy, trying to make these gains. Let me see if I can show you guys what I was doing on my trade. I closed my trade on XRP. Had an open trade from yesterday. And I closed it with a 50% profit. Not too shabby. Not too shabby. Let me see if I can show it to you guys. Unfortunately, I cannot open my account over in this computer. For some reason, BitGet is not sending me the confirmation code to get in on this computer. I can only do it from my laptop, and I cannot connect my laptop to the OBS. I don't know how to do that yet. But there we go. I closed my trade. This was my long on 5x long on XRP, and I closed it at a beautiful 52% on that trade. So that was a beautiful, beautiful trade. I really hope that you caught that one, guys. Everything was being sent to my Discord. You guys saw when, if you were in my Discord, you saw when I went in and when I got out. And if you enjoyed that little price range and you copied it, hooray to you, my man. Hooray to you. Remember, guys, I'm here to teach you how to fish, you know. But sometimes I throw a little bit of a curveball so that you can react, you know, so that you can take advantage of it also. I forgot my water. God damn it. I'll go get some water later on. So big shout out to everybody here, guys. You guys are amazing. I highly appreciate each and every one of you. Music brought to you by The Art of Techno, like always. So we're going to do one more minute, guys. One more minute, and we'll start the class. We're going to look at these markets and see what the hell are we going to do. Are we going to go up? Are we going to go down? I don't know. We're finding some strong support over here. XRP looking kind of saucy to the upside, guys. I don't know why I closed this trade, really. I really don't know why I closed this trade. It was like an emotional trade, and you shouldn't be trading emotionally. I don't know. Maybe because I kind of saw that it wasn't going to close above the 382, but you know what? There's a lot of hella support right in this range that's happening right now. I shouldn't have closed this trade. I'm feeling a little iffy now. I should have not closed that trade. But you know what? Fuck it. We just reset the Fibonacci levels and we go back in. That's not an issue. That's not a problem. Let me get rid of this so it doesn't confuse the hell out of you. We're going to look at it, guys. We're going to go in it. Let's set up the charts. We're going to figure it out. We're going to go in. We're going to know what the hell are we going to do. Ooh, Bitcoin is printing a bullish signal. Oh, man. I really regret closing that trade. I really do. We have a bullish triangle signal happening over here on my indicator. We have a cross of the RSI. It's kissing it. It's not a cross yet. It's kissing it. It's kissing it. And the MACD pointing to the upside. Now some sideways momentum, a little bit of sideways momentum. Oh, man, why did I close that trade? Should have stayed in. Should have stayed in. But it don't matter. We reset the Fibonacci levels and we go back in. It is what it is. We take that 50% that we made, and we double down. We double down. We go back in. So big shout out for everybody over there on the YouTube channel, on the Twitch channel. You guys are awesome. Big shout out to you. Over on the Facebook, what's up with you guys? How y'all doing? It's all good, good. You know how it is. It's chilling like a villain. 24 over on the TikTok saying, how can we see the liquidity levels on TradingView? Use your Fibonacci. The negative 382 and the negative 618. Those are the highest liquidity levels. So, for example, to give you a quick answer to your questions, let's say that we're analyzing this Fibonacci level over here, and you want to know what the level of the highest level of liquidity is to the upside. You do this. You do your Fibonacci level. Let's say that we're analyzing this level right here. Okay. What's your highest demand zone? You know the answer to that already, my man. The highest demand zone is the yellow. Okay, that's the demand zone. The liquidity zone is the green zone up here. Okay, this is where people most likely are to take profits on the way up. Okay, so the negative 382 and the negative 618 are your highest liquidity zones. The 0.5 and the 0.618 are your highest demand zone. So what do you do with that information? You buy at the highest demand and you sell at the highest liquidity. Okay. That's a very, very quick and easy way of looking at liquidity and demand zones. But yeah, that's the easiest way I can show you what those levels are. There has got to be at least a bajillion indicators out there that'll give you the liquidity zones, but you don't have to overcomplicate your life for nothing. Just use the Fibonacci level, you know? Just use the Fibonacci level and you can figure it out on your own. You don't need to have a bajillion indicators on your screen. Especially if you have a free TradingView account. If you have a free TradingView account, which is the one that I have right here on the screen, I decided to let go of my premium account. I don't need it anymore. You only have space for 3 indicators. And you already have them if you're using the same indicators that I'm using. I only use 3. I don't need more than that. You use 3 and you master the Fibonacci levels. That's it, man. You're above 99% of all traders out there. So I hope that answers your question, 24. Big shout out to you, my man. It's all good. Good. Thank you for stopping by. Make sure you smash that like button if you haven't already, guys. Follow and subscribe from whatever platform you're looking on me at. I'm streaming on every single platform out there. Juju, big shout out to Juju over on the Twitch channel. How you doing, Juju? It's all good, good. You know how it is. Just chilling like a villain, trying to take these gains, trying to make these gains. You know, trying to catch the top, catch the bottom. You know how it is. We have a high, we have a low, we have a reverse on the low, we got a reverse check information. You already know. You already know how it is, my man. You already know. It's a big shout out to you, Juju. Oh, is the music too loud? Let me make sure the music is too loud, guys. It's not that loud. No. Everywhere. So what's up with you, Juju? What you doing? What you up to? What about you, 24? What you been up to? Over on the TikTok. Shout out to you guys. Let's make it happen, Captain. Let's make it happen, Captain. I think I closed the Tickfinity, and that's why it's not working. Come on, Sensei. Do your thing. Connect to TikTok. There we go. So you can have the chat box. Woohoo. Connecting to TikTok, and I got something on my eye. Well, we wait for the... Let me see. Go to setup. Connect to TikTok. And we are connected. All right, beautiful. Now you guys can use the chat box. 24 over on the TikTok saying, chilling, waiting for something to happen with Bitcoin. I know, my man. We all are. We all are. We are having a little bit of a scenario playing with my indicator. So expectation should be to the upside. Okay, Bitcoin is showing some strong sides for some upwards movement. Okay, October could be an Uptober. You know, Uptober. See what I did with the words Uptober. So October looking kind of saucy for the upside. We are in accumulation zone. You guys should be buying Bitcoin anyway, even if the price is not at the price range that you want it to be. I don't know what else to tell you guys, but XR Bitcoin is looking quite saucy. Bitcoin is looking quite saucy. 24 over on the TikTok saying how I get that indicator, amigo. Okay, my man, I use 3 indicators. Only 3 indicators. The first one, you go to your indicators tab over on the top over here. It says indicators. Okay. On your trading view account, you tap on indicators. And when you search the indicator, you're going to search for Trader XO. Okay. And it's this one right here, Trader XO by BTC Charlie. I don't know who the hell BTC Charlie is. I didn't make this indicator in one way, shape, or form. But it is a wonderful indicator. If you do some back testing on this indicator is golden. Okay. It's one of the best indicators I know. That'll show you crosses of moving averages. You don't need to analyze the moving averages on your own. You can just follow this indicator. It's going to give you a bullish signal and it's going to give you a bearish signal. Okay. You don't have to know moving averages. Okay. So you click on it, you turn it on, and that is it. This is what's going to appear on the screen. You go to the settings tab. Make sure that you have the same settings as I do. Okay. You go to the settings tab of that indicator. And these are the settings that I use. I'm pretty sure these indicators settings are default from the indicator. Okay. I'm pretty sure these are the default settings. I don't remember changing any. I don't remember changing any of these in no way, shape, or form. Okay. But just to make sure, take a screenshot of that and make sure that it's exactly like the ones that I am using. Okay. That is the first indicator. The second indicator is this one down here, called New RSI. This indicator, I made it myself. If you want this indicator, head on over to my Discord and shoot me a direct message so I can send you the code, okay? This one is not, I can send you the source code that I made using ChatGPT. So I made this based on another RSI indicator. I took the code and I made it for myself using ChatGPT, okay? So if you are interested in that, head on over to my Discord. Shoot me a DM on Discord, okay? Saying, Sensei, I want the RSI indicator, and I'll give you the code, which is just pretty much copy-paste this code right here, and you paste it into your TradingView account, okay? What this indicator tells you is that if it does give you a bullish signal, like the one you have over here, and a purple cross of the yellow, like that one, you see it? You see how the purple is crossing the yellow over here for everybody over on the YouTube and the Twitch channel? When it crosses and it gives you a bullish signal, that is a high probability that we're going to go in to a shoot to the upside, okay? A shot to the upside, okay? Kiko! Big shout out to Kiko over on the YouTube channel. How you doing, Kiko? It's all good, You know how it is. Just chilling like a villain, trying to make these gains, you know? Just trying to make it happen, Trying to make it happen. So we have a bullish signal on the indicator. We have another bullish signal on the RSI indicator. Now, the third and final indicator that I'm going to show you, these are basic indicators, by the way. The third and final indicators that I'm going to show you is called, go to the indicators tab, and it's called the, what's it called? MACD, the Impulse MACD, okay? Impulse MACD by Lazy Bear, okay? Impulse MACD by Lazy Bear. You click on it, you turn it on, and you make sure that you use these settings. On the length MA, you use 12, and the length signal, you use 26. Okay? The styling that I use are these colors right here. Okay? You can use whatever colors you want to use, but these are just easier on the eyes, and I can see when things are happening. Okay? This is just the way that I do it. Okay? So these are the colors that I use. And these are the most important thing, the inputs, 12 and 26. Okay? How do you use that indicator? Very simple. Whenever you see a cross of the blue to the orange, like this one down here, to the upside, where the blue crosses the orange to the upside, that's bullish. Okay? That's bullish. When it happens the other way around, when the blue crosses the orange to the downside, that's bearish. Okay? So if all indicators are giving you the exact same information, follow the momentum. Follow the indicators. The trade should be biased towards the areas where the indicators are saying. Now, always remember that indicators, no indicator out there is 100% correct. Okay? No indicator out there is 100% correct. Most of the times it's going to bite you in the ass. So make sure that if you trade using indicators, you use a stop loss. Okay? You use a stop loss, or at least you dollar cost average on the way down. Don't ever trade with 100% of your portfolio, because you probably are going to get bit in the ass. Okay? You're going to get bit in the ass. But that's if you trade with indicators. If you trade with using the Fibonacci levels, then you do whatever the fuck you want to do. So that, guys, are my top 3 indicators. Okay? I'm going to be posting a YouTube video coming real soon that I'll explain with a little bit more detail of what these indicators do. Okay? So be on the lookout on those. Make sure that you subscribe to my YouTube channel so you get all the training that you want. Coming real soon. All right, guys. Let's start the class. All right, everybody. I like to start the class the same way every single day, looking on these markets to see where we're at. Are we making money? Are we losing money? Are we up? Are we down? Are we sideways? What's going on? I don't know. Let's find out together. Make sure you smash that like button if you haven't already. Follow and subscribe from whatever platform you're looking on me at. I'm streaming on every single platform out there, so make sure that you follow my trades. Guys, I like to start with Bitcoin first because Bitcoin is the big mama bear. Whatever Bitcoin does, so does everything else. So if you're going to do your technical analysis, make sure that you do it on Bitcoin first. Okay, so Bitcoin on the daily charts, which is what we're looking on the screen right now. Remember that each and every one of these candles is 1 day long, meaning that every single candle is 24 hours long. Okay, you zoom in. Let me lock this in. You zoom in to the last 2 candles on the daily chart and see what the hell is Bitcoin doing as of right now on the last 2 candles. These last 2 candles are T candles. What are T candles? You see like this. They look like a T. Okay, they look like a T. These T candles mean that the market doesn't know what the hell it wants to do. The market is undecided. Okay? If the market is undecided, I'm more undecided. The market doesn't know what it wants to do. I don't know what the fuck I'm going to do. Okay? So whenever I see T candles grouped up together like that, I call it a no trade zone. Okay? I don't tend to trade these areas right now. Okay? But hey, high risk, high reward, High risk, high reward. You do whatever the fuck you want to do. Let's find out if we got some entry prices using our Fibonacci levels. Of course we do. Why? Because we have a low. we have a high, and we have a retest of that high. Okay, so we're going to pretend that we do have a retest of that high, and that's going to give us what? A Fibonacci shark fin formation. Okay, so we have a shark fin formation. That shark fin formation translates into what? The Fibonacci levels. So you drag it from the bottom, drag it to the top, and it's going to give you the Fibonacci levels to get in on a trade on Bitcoin. What is the best case scenario to getting in on a trade on any asset whatsoever? Any asset whatsoever. Right here. The 618 on the Fibonacci levels. Okay? The 618 on the Fibonacci levels. So if you didn't catch the previous 618, and you're looking for another chance to getting in on a 618, your entry price to getting in on some Bitcoin action is 25,844. 25,844. Okay? 25,844. Take a screenshot of that, guys, because this is the highest demand zone on Bitcoin. Just in case it does dump from here, I don't think that it will. Okay? I'm not saying that we're going to get to 25,844, but if we do, guess what I'm going to do? Stack up on more Bitcoin. Okay? So you do whatever the hell you want to do. This is not financial advice in no way, shape, or form, but I'm just following the Fibonacci levels, okay? I'm just following the Fibonacci levels. Plus, I do have a bullish signal, plus a cross of the RSI, plus the MACD telling me that it's bullish. I don't know. Bitcoin does whatever the hell it wants, but it's looking kind of saucy to the upside, okay? It's looking kind of saucy to the upside. Do with that information as you may. Now, I'm not just going to give you one side of the story, okay? You got to look at all sides of the coin. What if Bitcoin does decide to dump from here for some reason? I don't know why. It does decide to dump from here. Well, we do have a high. We have a low. And we have a reverse of the low. So we have a reverse shark fin formation. A reverse shark fin formation gives you what? The reverse Fibonacci levels. So let's draw out the reverse Fibonacci levels. There we go. What is the reverse Fibonacci level telling you? You already got the longing opportunity, which is 25,844. Now you're having the shorting opportunity if you wanted to short Bitcoin. The shorting opportunity is happening as of right now. 26,862. See where it's trading as of right now? Right there on that yellow line. That is the highest liquidity zone to the downside. Okay? The highest demand zone for a shorting opportunity. So if you are short biased, if you want to short Bitcoin, me personally, no, I never short Bitcoin. I am not a shorter. I'm sorry. I don't do it. I can't do it. I believe in crypto. I believe in the upwards momentum. And now more than ever, we're having the halving next year. We're literally just 4 or 5 months away from the next halving. Nah, I'm not going to short anything whatsoever. Right after the halving, we're going to get the bull cycle. New president, the bull cycle. Nah, fuck shorting. So I would say don't short Bitcoin, but if you must, because you have to, because you're greedy and you don't care about your money, high risk, high reward type of trader, this is your shorting opportunity, okay? 26,862. Now, where is your highest liquidity zone to the downside to stack even more on Bitcoin? These two zones down here. So my 3 entry prices to getting in on some Bitcoin action are right here. 25,844 is the first one. 23,734 and 23,051. Okay. So those are my three limit buy orders for Bitcoin on the way down. If Bitcoin decides to break to the downside, that's where I'm going to start stacking up on Bitcoin. Okay. I'm not saying that we will. This is not financial advice. I don't have a time machine. I'm just a crazy dude online recording his journey on crypto. Okay. You shouldn't be listening to me anyways. But that's where I am going to be stacking up on my Bitcoin. 25,844, 23,700, and 23,000. Okay. We'll have a little bit of water here. Oh, yeah. The soapy water from the last time. Still here. So that, guys, are my entry levels for Bitcoin. Okay, take a screenshot of that if you want to copy these type of trades. Not telling you to do that, but if you have to, then go right ahead. Completely up to you. You do whatever the hell you want to do with your money. I'm not telling you to trade these in no way, shape, or form, but that's how I am going to be trading it. Okay, I have a limit buy orders for those three ranges right there: 25K, 23K, and 23.7 and 23.0. Moving on to a little bit of Ethereum, guys. What is Ethereum doing as of right now? All right, let's look at it right now. So Ethereum, this was from the previous live stream. See how Bitcoin gave me a bullish signal. See, it has a green triangle right there. Ethereum hasn't given me that signal just yet. Okay, but since everything follows Bitcoin, Bitcoin is king, Ethereum is going to probably do the exact same thing as Bitcoin. So we might get another bullish signal happening real soon for Ethereum. It's not there yet. It's not there yet. So maybe some more price action to the downside, especially if Bitcoin decides to keep going to the downside, okay? So keep an eye out on all those scenarios, okay? All scenarios are playable as of right now, okay? So Ethereum, man, I'm telling you guys, I'm telling you. It found the support within the 618. They hit my target price on Ethereum. This was from the previous live stream. I think we streamed, when was the previous, last Friday. Because I got a 3-day community strike over on my TikTok. I couldn't stream on TikTok. I don't know why I keep getting community strikes. It is what it is. So I streamed last Friday. I gave you that target price, 1,477, and it bounced exactly from there, guys. Okay, so now it's trading at 1,586. You would be in profits if you would have been in on this trade, okay? The only thing I'm doing is just following the Fibonacci, guys. I'm not doing anything else. I'm not a clairvoyant. I don't see the future. I don't have a time machine, you know? I only have math. I only have algorithms. I have things in place that are way smarter than me. And all I have to do is just look at the pretty colors. That's all I have to do. Just look at the pretty colors. Okay. So as of right now, Ethereum bouncing off the 618. That was your signal to getting in on some Ethereum action. And you would be in profits right now. So what are we hoping that Ethereum does from here on out? We found the support on the 618. Okay. That's rule number 1. Rule number 2. Did it break above the 382? It has not broken above the 382 as of just yet. See how the 382 has been hella resistance. It hasn't been able to break above the 382. It hasn't been able to break above the 382. Okay, so what's your target price? The 382. So if you buy it at 1,477, you sell it at 1,640. Those are your highest demand zone and highest resistance zones as of right now. Bruda Crypt, big shout out to Bruda Crypt over on the Twitch channel. How you doing, Bruda Crypto? Hey, buddy, sending you love. Thank you, my man. Big shout out to you, my man, Bruda Crypto over on the TikTok. How you doing, man? It's all good, good. You know how it is. Just chilling like a villain, taking it easy. I'm kind of tired today. I haven't eaten anything. It's been like a gloomy day, kind of a slow day. Crypto's not really doing anything. Life is not interesting in no way, shape, or form as of right now. I don't know. Maybe one day we'll wake up and XRP's at $20 and things will be amazing. I don't know. Jojo, big shout out to Jojo over on the Twitch. So yeah, guys, your target price for Ethereum 1,477. Okay, highest resistance zone is 1,640. That's the 382. If we close above the 382, then your target price for Ethereum is 1,864. Okay, but to get to 1,864, we need, wrote it wrong, 1,864. We need to close above the 382. We have to close above 1,640. Okay, we get in at 1,577, which we did right here. We hold it to 1,640. If it closes above 1,640, we hold it all the way up to 1,846. And that, guys, would be an amazing trade that could bank you a beautiful 18% on your trade. A beautiful 18%. Times whatever leverage you're using. If you're using leverage, you shouldn't be using leverage anyway. There's no reason to use leverage. The more leverage you use, the riskier that trade is. Because just like I could give you hopes that it's going to go to the upside, this fucker can flip around at any time. And we've seen it happen so many times before. Okay? So, do your due diligence, do your research, do your own technical analysis. However you want to do it. Put your stop losses just in case. But I'm keeping an eye out for Ethereum at 1,577, 1,640, and taking my profits at 1,864. 24 on the TikTok saying, you're too far to the left, bro. Can't see the full screen. Oh, let me see if I can move you guys over here. Okay, there we go. Can you see it better now? Yeah, my bad. Trying to keep things centered over here. Here we go. All right, there you go. All right, cool. So that, guys, is my plan for some Ethereum action. Obviously, this is only going to play out if Bitcoin is going to play out, but Bitcoin looking kind of very saucy to the upside, some movement to the upside. So if Bitcoin is looking upside, if Bitcoin is showing upside momentum, Ethereum is going to do the exact same thing. Okay. All right, moving on to my beautiful baby girl XRP. What is XRP doing as of right now? Not much, really. We did close our trade on XRP like I showed you in the beginning of the class. You see, we closed it at a beautiful 52% on this trade. Not too shabby. That was like, I think we went in with like $2,000 on this trade and made like around $1,000 on this trade. Not too bad, 50% for just a few days of work. Not too bad, not too shabby. Okay. So, what is Ethereum doing as of right now? So Ethereum not showing me any signs whatsoever. It's not giving me a bullish signal just as of just yet. But Bitcoin gave me a bullish signal. So if Bitcoin gives me a signal, everything else is going to probably do the exact same thing. So I'm going to be trading it the exact same way. Okay. So for XRP, I am longing biased. Okay. I'm looking for entry prices to go in. Okay. So on XRP, we have a low, we have a high, and we have starting a retest of that high. So we're going to pretend that there is a retest of the high, okay? Not saying that there is, but let's pretend that XRP decides to come back down from here, okay? So we have a shark fin formation, a potential shark fin formation. So I'm going to draw out my Fibonacci levels to those zones. Oops. Okay, and there we go. Let's zoom in for a second over here. All right, much better. So we have a low, we have a high, we have a retest of that high. When do I want to get in on this scenario? If XRP decides to come back down. Okay? Only if it does. Not saying that it will. My highest demand zone is right here. So when do I want to get in on some XRP action? Right there at 48 cents. So let me write it down over here. 0.48266. Okay. Not saying in no way, shape, or form that we are going to get to 48 cents. But if we do, guess what? I'm stacking up on my XRP. Okay. Actually, you know what? Over on my Discord, head on over to my Discord. I posted all of my limit buy orders for XRP on the way down. Okay. So if you want to take a screenshot of those, head on over to my Discord. It's in the chat of the Discord. You can find it. It was very recent. I think I put it today or yesterday. I don't remember when I did. I think it was today. So check over on the chat box on my Discord, and all of my limit buy orders for XRP I posted it there. Okay. So we got 42,266. Okay. If XRP decides to come back down. Another thing you can do, high risk, high reward, is to go in on all the levels, not just the 618. Okay. Since I am biased to the upside, why not just put a long on all the levels? One of them has to stick. Okay. One of them has to stick. Always remember that if you do this type of strategy, the lower the level, the higher the probability of gain is going to be. Okay. The higher the level, the riskier that trade is. Okay. So just use the three levels. 0.49880. Okay. So if you want to trade the Fibonacci levels all of them, just for shits and giggles, because you don't care about your money, those are the 3 levels that you're going to want to start stacking up on your XRP. The lower the level, the higher the probability of winning that trade is going to be. Okay? We have a low, we have a high, and then we have a retest. And I'm going to try to catch that retest on the lowest point of the Fibonacci levels, the highest demand zone, which is the 618. So I'm going to try and catch it at 48 cents if it actually goes. If it doesn't go there, then we reset the Fibonacci levels and we go back in. Okay, we missed the opportunity. It is what it is. Just reset the levels and we go back in. Never, ever, ever chase a trade just because, oh, it's not going your way. Fuck that. Put the Fibonacci levels and trade using the Fibonacci levels. Okay, always trade with the Fibonacci levels, please. Okay. So that, guys, is my plan for some more XRP action. Okay, trying to catching it at 48 to 66. Make sure that you do the same thing on your trading view account, on your trading account, whichever account you're using. I use BitGet. So make sure that you do the exact same analysis over on your BitGet. Why? Because BitGet and TradingView are not the exact same levels. See how this level over on TradingView is 48 to 66, but on BitGet is 48,371. So about $100 more. See how those levels are not the exact same? So you always have to be wary. You always have to be on the lookout. Do your analysis on TradingView, but also do it on your BitGet account, okay? That's a little golden nugget that I can give you guys, okay? And that, guys, is XRP. Let's look at some XLM action, because if XRP is going to do one thing, XLM is going to do the exact same thing. So XLM, as of right now, we're still playing out the same scenario as before. From the previous live stream, I told you guys the target price was 10 cents. It's looking like we're headed towards 10 cents. Okay, so my buy-in on XLM action as of right now is 10 cents. And XLM, anything below 10 cents on XLM is a gift from the crypto gods. So if XLM breaks 10 cents to the downside, I don't know what... I can't do the trade for you. I can't go to your house and press the button for you, you know? But I am going to do it for myself. Okay? So I'm going to be stacking up on XLM at 10 cents and anything below that one. Okay? So let's figure out what those zones are. We do have a high. We have a high. We have a low. And we have a retest of that low. So we have a reverse short crane formation. That reverse short crane formation translates into what? The Fibonacci levels. Come on, there you go. Boom. All right, so those are my 3 levels to stacking up on some XLM. 0.108. 0.099622 and 0.93297. Oops, no, I wrote this wrong. It's not 93 cents. Imagine XLM at 93 cents. I would lose my shit. I would lose my shit. So that, guys, are my entry prices to stacking up on some more XLM. 10 cents, 9 cents, and almost 8 cents. Okay. Dollar cost averaging on the way down. If we could please pray to the gods, whoever it is you pray to, my Lord Zenu, whoever, get XLM down to less than 10 cents, please. Again, just one more time. That's all I'm asking. I'm asking for just one more little dumpy dump on XLM below 10 cents. Is that too much to ask? Is that too much to ask? Can we get it? Please? Please? So I can stack up on some more XLM. You know? Stack up on some more XLM. And that, guys, is my plan for XLM. Moving on to some Cardano. Oh, man, Cardano still showing no love. No love for Cardano. This was from the previous live stream. So since there is no love for Cardano, I'm not very hopeful for any Cardano movements anytime soon, especially before the halving. Maybe after the halving and when we get the new president, the new bull cycle, Maybe some price action to the upside for some Cardano action. This is all accumulation zone for Cardano as of right now. Let me see. Let me zoom out for a second. I'm going to look at the weekly. Yeah. It's a bottom coin. So these are all accumulating coins. These are all coins that you buy for the next bull cycle. Remember that, guys. These are not tradable coins. This is for the next bull cycle. Cardano, you just buy it and hold it for the next bull cycle. Put it in your ledger device, in your cold storage device. Forget that it exists until 2024. Okay? After the halving, after the new president, boom. March 2025. That's it. That's the plan. That's the cycle. November, March. Those are the dates. You got March is the halving. November, we got the new president. 2024. That's it. That's all the 2 dates that you need to do. In the meantime, you're accumulating. You're buying. You're buying. And you're buying. Every time it dips, you're buying. And you're buying. And you're buying. And you're buying. After November, you're selling. You're selling. You're selling. You're selling. Because that fucker's going to start pumping to the upside. Okay? Next bull cycle. March 2025. That's when you take all your profits. It doesn't matter if it keeps going to the upside. My plan, March 2025, take my profits, walk away. Okay? Next bull cycle. Next bull cycle. But for Cardano, when am I going to start stacking up on some Cardano action? 18 cents and 16 cents. Nothing has changed. And it's looking very, very saucy to the downside, guys. It's just momentum is to the downside. I don't have any indicator whatsoever this fucker's gonna go up. No love for Cardano, guys. Man. But that's great news because the less love there is for Cardano, the more we buy. Because the lower the price, the more we buy. Same can be said for Solana. Let me see what Solana is doing. For Solana, let me reset this one more time. We have a low. We have a high. We have a reversal of that high. We have a shark fin formation. That shark fin formation translates into what? The Fibonacci levels. Where's my Fibonacci? Here you go. All right. So for Solana, it did hit my target price at $18.51. That was the Fibonacci 618 level. And you would be in profits as of right now. 18.1451. Okay. Did you catch it? Did you catch it, Solana trade right here? Boom. Bouncy bounce. We might get another chance on this. I don't know. We might get another chance on this. We don't have a cross. I don't have a bullish signal. I don't have any indicator whatsoever. It's telling me that this is going to go to the upside. Like, not a sharp upturn. But, yeah, it bounced from the 618. Maybe we'll get another chance at getting in on the 618. 18,151. That's the target price for some Solana action, guys. Solana, $18 for Solana. I think it's $18 for Solana and 18 cents for Cardano, right? Yeah. Its target price is $18 for Solana, 18 cents for Cardano. Okay? Okay. That's the plan for Cardano and Solana, guys. Let's look at Doge. My God, are you guys still trading Doge? If anybody here is trading Doge, let me know. 24-hour on TikTok saying low mid cap coins, Goti, CTI, and CAT. You want to look at some low mid coins? Sure, we can look at those coins. Let me get out my handy dandy notebook. Goti, I've never heard of these coins. Goti, CTI, and CAT. Never heard about these coins. Seems interesting. Let me do a little bit of research. Just some shits and giggles. Let me see. CoinMarketCap. Let's go to CoinMarketCap. Let me see what these coins even actually do. Let me see. We got Cody. Cody's trading at 4 cents. We have a max supply of 2 billion. We have a circulating supply of 1.2 billion. We have a volume of $115 million in the last 24 hours. That's good. There's a lot of movement. There's a lot of money flow in this coin. So that's always good to see. That's a good start on this coin. I can trade it on pretty good major platforms. We got KuCoin, Coinbase, we got Binance, so that's always good. What is Cody? Cody markets itself as the first enterprise-grade fintech platform that empowers organizations to build their own payment solutions as well as digitize any currency to save time as well as money. Cody is one of the first blockchain protocols that is optimized for decentralized payments and designed for use by merchants. Sorry. By merchants, governments, payment dApps, and stablecoin users. Okay, so it's a dApp coin. Pay first application. It describes itself as a fully encompassing finance on the blockchain. It's a DeFi coin. It's a dApp coin. It's a DeFi dApp coin. It's a great coin. It does what it has to do. What makes Cody unique? It's the platform. They all have a fucking platform. That's not really. Okay, seems good. Let's look at that one. Cody. All right. So for Cody, what do we got here? We look at the weekly. Ooh. So for the weekly, we have a low, we have a high, and we have a retest of that high. So we have a shark fin formation. That shark fin formation translates into what? The Fibonacci levels. And where is Cody trading as of right now? Almost at the 618. So my target price for some Cody action is this right here. My man. You know what? I'm going to write this one down because I'm going to start stacking up on some Cody action. Cody looking very saucy. Let me write it down over here. Give me a second, guys. Cody. Let me see if I can buy 100,000 of this coin. 100K challenge on this coin. 0.032890. That is my target price to stacking up on some Cody, my man 24, okay? My man, Big D. How you doing, Big D? It's all good, good. You know how it is. How you doing, brother? It's all good, good. Taking it easy, you know, just chilling like a villain. So for Coti, C-O-T-I, stacking up on 32890. That is my target price, okay, 24? Take a screenshot of that. And thank you for bringing it because this coin is looking very saucy. My God. And I wasn't even looking this way. This is exactly the type of coin. This is it, guys. If you ever see a pattern like this, that's what you're looking for. Okay, that's this right here. Low, high, low. Low, high, low. Because after low, high, low, what comes? High. Okay, we have an A line, a B line, and then a C line to the upside. So we have a low, we have a high, we have a retest of the high. We should be getting on the Fibonacci level at the 618. And that's it. So for Cody, saucy, my man 24 over on the TikTok. Thank you for bringing it over. I mean, it's trading right now at 4 cents. The difference between 4 cents and 3 cents is not that much. But holding this type of coin for the next bull cycle, man, this is it's looking like a gold mine, you know, like a little gold mine. You do whatever you guys want, guys, but my man 24, thank you for bringing this coin. I'm gonna stack up on this coin. How much would it cost me to buy 100,000 of that coin? Let me see over here. It'll cost me like $4,000 to buy 100,000 Cody. I wish I had $4,000. Let me see what I can do. Maybe I can get another job or something. I don't know. Think I can start washing windows. I don't know. Whatever the fuck I gotta do, you know? 100,000 of this coin would cost me $4,000 to buy. Wow, over on the TikTok. Big shout out to you. Wow, how you doing, my brother? Cosmo, what do you think about it? Sure, we can talk about some Cosmo. Let me write it on my handy dandy notebook. We can look at some Cosmo. Big D over on the TikTok saying, and what exchange do they sell Coti? So it's C-O-T-I, and these are all the platforms that you can buy it from. You can buy it from Binance, KuCoin, and Coinbase. Okay, so major exchanges. All the major exchanges. Binance, KuCoin, and Coinbase. It's COTI. Okay, COTI. Looking like a hidden gem right there, guys. Looking like a very saucy hidden gem, like the girl next door. She's flirtatious, and I don't know what to do. Okay. So that, guys, was Cody. Let's look at CTI. My other brother from another mother's brother, CTI. Clintex. Let me see what Clintex does. Please note that this is the new Ethereum contract address for okay, blah, blah. So Clintex is trading at 1 cent. Max supply of 191 million. Circulating supply of 124 million. Volume of $400,000 is not that much. If I wanted to manipulate the price of this coin, all I need is $400,000. I would have wished to see 4 million in volume. Not that low. It's too low for my taste, for my liking. But hey, could be another hidden gem, you know? It could be a hidden gem. It's traded on KuCoin. All right, let's look at CTI. Clintex. Oh, I think we saw this one. When did we see this one? I don't remember when we did this one, guys. It was a bottom coin. It was a bottom coin. I don't remember when we saw this one. Do you guys remember when we did this one? Because it has the analysis. If to buy 100,000 of it, it would cost me 1,500. How much would it cost me now? 1,200. So it went lower. Okay, there we go. It went lower. More price action to the downside. More buying opportunity. Bottom coin. Next bull cycle, we have a low. We have a high. We have a retest of that high. We have a shark fin formation. That shark fin formation translates into what the Fibonacci levels. Okay, so this coin is trading below the 618. So what do we do with that? We do the reverse shark fin formation. And where is it trading it as of right now? On the bottom of the reverse Fibonacci level. See? So my man 24, if you're asking for a signal from the gods, the time is now. The time is now. Okay? That is my entry price right there, guys, where it's trading as of right now. Okay? Right now. Okay? Moving on to some CAT. K-A-T. But the thing about CTI is that the volume is very low. So the reason why I'm not going to get in it like all ecstatic and whatnot, it's the volume. I wish it would have had a lot more volume. Like Cody. Cody has a bunch of volume. That looks very saucy. Okay. Chaotic Rage over on the YouTube channel. Big shout out to you, Chaotic Rage. AKT looking good to enter at 78 and 70. We can look at some AKT. AKT. All right, so moving on to some CAT. You guys wanted to talk about some CAT action. Carrot. What is Carrot? So Carrot, again, another coin with very low volume. So the volatility is crazy. Too low for my liking. 2 billion in supply. Could be a hidden gem. You never know. You can get it on BitGet. Okay, you can get it on BitGet. Let's go for it. Let's look at it. Yeah. So it's a bottom coin, brothers. It's a bottom coin. It's trading literally below all the support whatsoever. It's a BBC. It's a bottom coin. This is the type of coin that you buy and you hold till the next bull cycle, and hopefully it has a little bit of a pumpy pump whenever all the coins pump. Okay. So if you're looking for a signal to getting in on some CAT action, Yeah, it's a bottom coin. Let me see how much would it cost me to buy 100,000 of this coin. It'll cost me $845 to buy 100,000 of this coin. You can challenge yourself, you know, challenge yourself to stack up on 100,000 of this coin. But what I'm saying is that you need to hold it for the next bull cycle. You know what I mean? Is to hold it for the next bull cycle. Hold it to the next bull cycle. All right, moving on to some Cosmo. You guys wanted to talk about some Cosmo coin. So for Cosmo, we got Cosmo on KuCoin. There we go. Okay, let me see. I think we did some analysis on this one. All right. So Cosmo, I don't remember when we did the live stream on this coin. Pretty much, I'm pretty sure it was a long ass time ago because we were trading above the 618 and it found the resistance on the 0.5. We went back in and it broke back down. So if it breaks back down, then you do the reverse Fibonacci level and you reset the levels once again. So for the reverse shark fin formation, we have a high, we have a low, and we have a retest of that low. So that's a shorting opportunity that you're gonna want to start stacking up right there. So as of right now, Cosmo finding resistance within the 382 like it should if it's going to the upside, to the downside, sorry. The 382's hella resistance. So my target price to getting in on some Cosmo is down here. So you got $2 cost averages on the way down at $5.2224 and 4.6490. Okay, so for Cosmo, guys, that is my target price. That is my range. That is my plan to getting in on some Cosmo action. $5.22, $4.64. Okay, $5.22, $4.64 for some Cosmos action. Okay, Ken, my man, Ken over on the TikTok. Big shout out to you, Ken. Hey, man, let's have the after party with Crypto Granny. Hell yeah. Any day, anytime. I love Crypto Granny. She's amazing. She's super fun. I mean, I wonder why she's not here. She's probably busy doing her own thing. But yeah, if she invites me, if I see her online, you best believe that I'm going to be in Crypto Granny's live stream. So guys, if you want to catch me over on the Crypto Granny, I'll be over there too. Make sure that you follow her on the TikTok also. And that you follow also my man Ken over here on the TikTok. He's awesome. Well, yeah, we can have an after party on the Crypto Granny. She usually streams like really late at night, like around 11. So let's see if I'm awake. If I'm awake and I can see her, I see her on the TikTok, I'll go in it. I'll go in it. $24 over on the TikTok saying it's actually Cat is Cambria on Matic ecosystem. I didn't do it the right one. Did I not do the right one? Cambria. Yeah, that's the one I did. Did I do this one? I don't remember. I don't know what I did. What did I do? Big shout out to Chaotic Rage over on the YouTube channel. Thank you for that subscribe. Big shout out to you, Chaotic Rage. We have a low, we have a high, we have a retest of the high, we have a shark fin formation. That shark fin formation translates into what the Fibonacci levels. The Fibonacci levels tells me that it is trading below the 618, so you want to do a reverse Fibonacci level. So we have a high, we have a low, and those are my target prices for some cat action. So for cat, it's here and here. Man, I don't. Yeah. 0.0006837 and 0.1234553. Okay. Those are my target prices for CAT on the Matic ecosystem. Okay. Since it's breaking below the 618. I don't know. It's not looking too good. It's not looking too good. Moving on to some AKT. What is AKT? Akash Network. Akash Network. Trading at 86 cents. We have a max supply of 388 million. We have a circulating supply of 218 million. We have a volume of about $756,000. A little bit better because of the max supply. You can trade it on KuCoin, Kraken, Bittrex. So good exchanges. That's always good to see. Akash Network is a super cloud spearheading a paradigm shift in cloud computing, disrupting conventional cloud services and pioneering a revolution in access to essential cloud resources. Leveraging the power of blockchain technology, Akash Network has developed an open source decentralized marketplace for cloud computing, offering an unprecedented level of speed, efficiency, and affordability. This innovation is set to transform the way users perceive and utilize cloud services. Yeah. Okay. I don't know what this coin does, but let's look for it. AKT. Akash Network. For the Akash Network is looking very saucy and very good. All right, so let's zoom in a little bit over here. Let me block it in. So for Akash, we have a low, we have a high, and we have a reverse of that high. So we have a shark fin formation. That shark fin formation translates into the Fibonacci levels. So let's draw out our Fibonacci levels. And what is the Akash Network doing as of right now? It is trading exactly on the 618. So if you're on the fence and on the ropes to getting in on some Akash Network action, brother, the time is now. Okay? It's trading on the 618. Of course, this can break to the downside. It is what it is. But it is on the highest demand zone. The best bet that you got is where it's trading as of right now. The only problem is that I don't have any signal whatsoever on any of my indicators telling me that this is going to bounce from here. So I'm thinking this sucker is going to break to the downside. Okay? I'm thinking this sucker is going to break to the downside. Let's zoom in a little bit more. There you go. Yeah. It's looking like it's going to crash. Okay? So let me do the reverse shark fin formation. Okay? This was your signal to getting in on a short. And your target entry price to stacking up on some Akash is going to be here and here. 0.6621 and 0.5621. So for the Akash Network, brother, I would tell you, Chaotic Rage, 6621 and 5621, because I'm kind of seeing. Let me pull back. Let me squint my eyes. Yeah, it's not looking too good for the upside. I don't know. It's kind of risky, It's kind of risky. But hey, high risk, high reward. You know how it is. You're not gonna get it any better. You can get in now. Hope that it bounces from here on the 618. But that's hopium. I'm telling you right now. That's hopium. Okay. A better bet would be 6621 and 5621. You do whatever the hell you want to do. Completely up to you. This is not financial advice in no way, shape, or form. Always remember that. You shouldn't be listening to me in any way, shape, or form. But if I was trading AKT, I would trade it at 66 and 56, not 86. Okay. 86 looking kind of risky. But hey, high risk, high reward. You buy it at 86 and hold on for it for the next bull cycle. Okay. That sounds like a trading plan to me. Let's look at some Chiba coin. Chiba coin. All right, so Chiba coin playing out still exactly like I said it was going to play out. So my target prices haven't changed on Chiba coin. They're still the same. 6716, 5817, 5185. Okay. 6716-5817-5185. Dynamite, big shout out to Dynamite over on and the TikTok. How you doing, Dynamite? It's all good, good. You know how it is. What you been up to, brother? Oh, Big D, big shout out to Big D. Thank you for that donut over on the TikTok. One day I'll start doing what those people do. The whole NPC. Have you seen those? Like, and I eat the donut. Nah, you'll never catch me doing that shit. How you doing, Dynamite? Big shout out to you. Dynamite over on the TikTok saying, what do you do? What do you do with you, brother? Working that 75 and stacking chips. Brother, there's no other way to be, man. There's just no other way to be. That's life right there. That, man, you just summed up on a goddamn sentence my entire existence. 75, get on the live. 75, get on the live. Stack up on them chips. Wait for the next bull cycle, brother. Wait for the next bull cycle. Seprin. Sorry if I'm mispronouncing that name. Is that I don't understand that nyeka on top of the N or the I don't speak that language. Sorry if I'm murdering your name. I'm thinking it says Seprin over on the YouTube channel. Big shout out to you, my brother. What can you say about the Brickin project? The Brickin project. I've never heard of that. What the hell is the Brickin project? Let me know. This one? Brickin? This one? Brickin? BKN? Let me know if it's that one. Can you do an analysis of the Brickin project? Yeah, is it this one? Is it this one? Brickin? BKN? You gotta let me know the three letters of the coin. Dynamite over on the TikTok saying living that hodl life and taking notes from your channel. Bro, you're in the right place. You're in the right goddamn place, bro. You're a genius, Dynamite. You're a goddamn genius. So Brickin, my man Seprin over on the YouTube channel wants to talk about some Brickin action. So Brickin, looking over here doing a little bit of research because I've never heard about this coin. Brickin has a max supply of 150 million. Has a 24 volume of 148,000. Too low for my liking. And you cannot trade it on any major exchange. So this type of coins and these type of projects are red flags for my liking, okay, for my style of trading. These could be hidden gems. Me personally, I don't trade them. Okay, just looking at the numbers, okay, just looking at what they do, okay. But they could be a hidden gem. Okay, you do whatever you want to do with your money. Okay, I'll do the analysis the exact same way either way. But for me, it's a no for me. Okay, but we'll do it. We'll do some analysis. Let me see if I can do it over here. BKN. Brickin. There we go. Yeah, Brickin is what I call my brother Cyprin. I call it a bottom coin. So you're going to want to start stacking up when it hits the bottom. So my target price for some BKN action is 0.07751. I have a bearish signal, nothing indicating me that it's going to go to the upside. I don't even have the RSI. I don't even have that information. Let me see if I go to the lower time frames, let me see if I got some type of action. Yeah, no, the volume is so low that the candles aren't even forming. The volatility on these coins are ridiculous, brother. You got to be very, very careful, okay? Very, very careful. Because this can pump in one day and dump the exact same day. Be very, very wary. Keep an eye out. Brickin is high risk. Hella high risk, okay? Hella high risk. Target price, 0.07751, okay? Chaotic Rage over on the YouTube channel saying 4 cents good entry on CAS. KAS. We can look at some CAS. You mean Cas or Caspa? Is it Cas or Caspa? Chaotic Rage. Ah, Caspa, brother. Of course, Caspa. Caspa, oof. We talked about Caspa a few weeks ago. Ah, damn it. Let me not move it because this is the exact same analysis that we did. Okay, so for Caspa, my entry was right here. Okay, we caught it at the 618. My target price for Caspa is still 7 cents and 9 cents. Okay, still 7 cents and 9 cents. Now we need to if you're gonna get in now, you didn't get on the 3 cents when we were talking about it a few weeks ago. It's okay. It's okay. You're always gonna get a second chance. So let's reset our Fibonacci levels. Okay, let me get rid of this. Let's reset our Fibonacci levels. Go to the daily. No, 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 no. So we have a low. We have a low. We have a high. And we're going to pretend that there is going to be a retest of that high. Okay? We don't have it as of just yet. Okay? We don't have it as of just yet. Okay? So let's do our Fibonacci levels. What is my entry price for Caspa? That is my entry price for Caspa. So 4 cents, yeah. A very good entry for Caspa. Okay, so you were right, brother. Caspa at 4 cents is a gold mine. Okay, more power to the upside, guys. We got that bullish signal. 7 cents, 9 cents, right around the corner. 7 cents, 9 cents, right around the corner. Okay. Wow, over on the TikTok, big shout out to you. While saying you like Jasmy coin, I do like Jasmy coin, and I believe we were talking about some Jasmy. We can look at some Jasmy. Jasmy coin was another bottom coin. I believe we caught it down here. Okay. So this is a type of coin that you buy now and you hold for the next bull cycle. Okay. This is not the type of coins that you trade actively. You're probably not going to make a lot of money on this coin. But for the next bull cycle, you buy it at the lowest of the low and hold on to it for the next bull cycle. I'm talking about end of 2024. Okay. So Jasmy coin, absolutely a coin that you should be stacking up on. We got that double top over here. And there we go. That was your sign right here to getting in on some Jasmy coin. That was our target price. Yeah, I believe we caught it right there. Yeah. Second chance if you haven't traded as of just yet, maybe. But this is your target price for some Jasmy, okay? Right here. 0.002853. Okay, well. Marquise84 over on the TikTok saying, was that Caspa or Casper? Caspa with a K. Caspa. You're welcome, Marquise. Anytime. Oh, man, this is still soapy water. This was on the last live stream. It's been sitting here a week. Ugh. All right, guys. That's all the time I got for you today. I know. You want me to stay here all day. We can hang out all day. I got to eat. I'm fucking starving as like a motherfucker. I haven't eaten anything all day. it is what it is, you know. Gotta get something. I'm thinking about some sushi action. What do you think? Should I get some sushi action? I could eat some sushi right now. Or some Chinese food. I don't know. I'm feeling Chinese today. Like Puerto Rican Chinese, you know? Ugh, man, I would go for some Chinese. That's for sure. So yeah, guys, thank you for stopping by. Had a whole lot of fun. I hope you did too. Also, guys, if you see Crypto Granny live tonight, I will probably do an after party. If I see her channel that she's live today, I'll probably go hang out with her. I really enjoyed hanging out with Crypto Granny the last time. So if I see her online, and if I'm online, then I'll probably head on over there. So make sure that you follow her over on the TikToks. Big shout out to Crypto Granny. But yeah, I will try to come back again tomorrow. What's today? Today is Thursday. Yeah, I'll try to come again tomorrow, 5 p.m. Eastern. So make sure that you like, subscribe, and follow from all of my streaming platforms so you get notified every time I stream. Let's see how these prices are going to be doing for the next cycle. Okay, guys, so if you have any other questions or anything else whatsoever, always remember I do have a Discord group. It's completely free. You can head on over there, and I'm always there hanging out. You know, you can ask me anything you guys want. It's free. I don't charge for any information whatsoever. Okay, so if you want to hang out, you can always head on over to my Discord. But yeah, guys, thank you a lot. PDP over on the TikTok saying just eat in front of us. I have to go get it. I have to go get the food, man, and it's a little far away. I want some Chinese food, and it's like around like an 11-minute drive from here. And I gotta go get it. Ken, you the man? No, Ken, you the man. Juju over on the TikTok, on the Twitch, saying thank you for the stream, brother. Anytime, stick around, brother. Hit that like and subscribe. I know that you're subscribed. You don't have to do that. You can do it. You can see. I'll see you guys on the next one, guys. Chaotic Rage, big shout out to you, Chaotic Rage over on the YouTube. Thanks you for the info. No, thank you for stopping by, brother. So big shout out, guys. Big shout out to you guys. 24. Big shout out to you. Thank you for the info. No, thank you for stopping by, brother. All right, Big D. Thank you for the hearts, man. Thank you for all the gifts, guys. Yeah, I highly appreciate each and every one of you. I love the time that I hang out with you guys. This is my therapy. You know how it is. So big shout out for everybody who joined me today. I'll try to come again tomorrow at 5 p.m. Eastern. So make sure that you're on the lookout for that. And you can always hang out on my Discord. I'm always there 24 hours a day. All right, guys. Thank you for stopping by. I had a whole lot of fun. Hope you did too. I will see you again tomorrow at 5 p.m. Eastern if I can. And if not, then make sure that you hit that follow and subscribe so you get notified every time I stream over here on whatever platform you're looking on me at. So take care, guys. Have a good one. And God bless.